Hello, my friends. Today, I want to tell you a story. A warm, gentle, meaningful story about helping others. There was a boy named Ishan. Ishan was cheerful. Ishan was friendly, but he was always busy with himself. One day while walking home from school, he saw an old woman. She was carrying heavy bags. She looked parshtas. Many people walked past her. No one stopped. Ishan looked at her, but he also kept walking. After a few steps, his heart felt uncomfortable. He stopped. He turned back. He went to the old woman and said softly, "Grandma, can I help you?" The old woman smiled with relief. She said, "Yes, child. Thank you." Ishan carried her bags to her house. It was not very far, but the bags were heavy. When they reached, the old woman said, "You helped me today when I really needed help." She gave him a glass of water and blessed him. Ishan walked home, feeling something new. He felt happy. He felt peaceful. He felt proud. That night, he told his mother everything. His mother smiled and said, "When you help others, you make the world better." But something else also happens. You make your own heart lighter. From that day, Ishan started noticing people around him. If someone dropped books, he helped. If someone was confused, he guided them. He did not help for reward. He helped because it felt right. And slowly, he became kinder. He became happier. Because helping others does not make you smaller. It makes your heart bigger. Final message. My friends, this story is for you too. If you see someone in need, try to help. A small act of kindness can make a big difference. Ending line. Thank you for listening. Keep learning English. Keep helping others. And always remember, helping others is helping yourself too.